So we are supposed to be recording this. We're out for a little day walk. We skipped Jimmy's today. I'm gonna make this my first day of documenting. So I think I'm at probably about 220 pounds. Soaking wet. No, probably soaking wet. I'd be like 235 pounds.
Look how many hair, how much hair you have on top of your head. Oh yeah.
And we are walking the neighborhood for a little bit, trying to get the sunset, the dusk and dawn thing, although dawn won't see me unless I have to get up to piss. Dawn and I don't really like each other. Look at this fucking hair. I'm gonna post this.
Yummy.
Dawn and I don't like each other much. We're gonna start at some point in life. I'm not there yet, but we are. Look at that house over there. Oh my god, I love that house.
Don't tell people where I live.
It's been taking forever for that house to get built too. This is my lovely neighborhood. This is the hood. Not really, but so yeah, I'm gonna start here. Hercules says hi. Love this. This is, if you have a small dog, honestly, this video, I'm gonna post this today. Why not, right? Why am I gonna wait for the transformation? Look at the bye-bye arm. Why am I gonna wait for the transformation to show you guys the transformation? So, I literally have lost a lot of weight before. Many times. Not many, but I lost over 100 pounds. My lightest was in the end of 23 and most of 24. I was around 185 pounds, 190 pounds from 285 pounds. And I'm back up to, like I said, 220, soaking wet right now. But instead of me waiting until I document all of this for you, I'm going to just start posting, because why not? Because I guess we can. And it pays to just be real nowadays, because we can't find that. Everybody's like going to their AI fucking character, even on YouTube. I'm like, did you see how their mouth is moving? I'm like, is that real? Are they real? Or are they AI? Not that I have a problem with AI, and I'm sorry. I know that's like a touchy subject now. If AI is used the right way, and if we guide it the right way as a human race, I think we'll be fine. But I don't think we seem to guide much the right way. So anyway, we're gonna leave that for a different video. So my goal is to get down to 170 pounds. You guys are you guys are gonna watch me do it live every day. I'm gonna vlog, document, throw up like a 5-minute video. I'm gonna make a playtime section, or is that what they call it? A section? What the fuck did? Oh my god.
A playtime section.
A playtime. We're gonna have a playtime section. No, what do they call that? They call that. This is gonna be so uncut and unprofessional on this one. Playlist.
Oh my god.
Oh my goodness. And it's gonna be a playlist titled Transformation Vlog Journey, blah blah. Because I have a lot that I need to. I have a lot that I need to do in life, and losing weight and getting myself in optimal shape is one of them. I'm not in bad shape, but I could be in better shape. So what I can tell you that I stopped doing that got me to gain like 35-40 pounds. Well, I stopped exercising as much as I was. I stopped walking. I was walking like daily for like at least an hour. I stopped walking as much as I was. Weight training like three times a week, sometimes 4, mostly 3. I kind of like laid off of that here and there. Not completely, but there were times where I'd go a couple weeks or whatever. Started eating bread. And bread isn't bad, but like when you eat a lot of calories, plus you're adding like carbs, like it's always been organic, sourdough, fresh baked, but still, because I try to eat as healthy as possible. But still, it's bread. It's adding calories, and to lose weight, it really boils down to your calories. It really does. Calories in and calories out, and it's that simple. And I know everybody wants like a magic pill, a magic button. Well, the magic Ozempic or whatever the hell people are pumping into themselves. The shot, I don't know if I'm allowed to say that on YouTube. Whatever.
Injection.
The injection. I know you're allowed to say some things. You're not allowed to say everything. The magic injection that everybody was taking basically made them eat less. You know, that's a thing. Like when people even get those, the lap band surgery, the surgeries, it's just making them eat less. I don't think it's the healthiest thing to do, because I don't think, not getting proper nutrition is healthy. I think fasting is healthy. We're going to try that here too. I haven't done that in a minute. So there's going to be a lot of things we're going to be doing. But today we did skip Jimmy. Sorry, Jimmy. Jimmy is our personal trainer. And I said, hey babe, let's go for a walk. It's nice. It is late August in the northeastern part of the United States. Not very northeastern, but somewhat northeastern. And we just wanted to go for a walk. And here we are. So we're going up a hill right now. So if you hear me breathing a little heavy, it's not because anything fancy is going on down here. I don't know if I even. Yeah, so I'm gonna post this. I'm not gonna edit this or anything, and this is just how it's gonna be for this playlist vlog section of my journey. So here we go. Wish me luck. I started eating a little bit less calories. Also, I cut my fats down because fats are not bad for you, but they're dense in calories, and I upped my fiber a little bit. When I initially lost all the weight that I lost back in 2022, I want to say, took about 6 months. I lost about 75 pounds, which is not recommended. I looked like everything was dragging, like my jowl, I had super jowls, and I mean, I know I look young, but man, I'm pushing 48 here. I had super jowls and I got nervous about it, but they ended up snapping a little bit back or whatever once I started working out. But I didn't work out at all to do that. I went grain free. There was this guy, for the life of me, I cannot pronounce this guy's name. He is on YouTube. He hasn't posted it in a very long time. And I always forget this guy's channel. And he simply said, grain-free is the way to go if you want to take down inflammation in your body. Try it for 21 days. What do you have to lose? I was like, you know what? Maybe I'll try that. He's right. What do I have to lose? I could always... The bread ain't going anywhere. It's always going to be there when I get back to it. The grains aren't going anywhere. So I did. I tried that. And...
Progress 18%. Duration 10 minutes. Distance 0.37 miles. Pace 26 minutes 43 seconds per mile. Voice coach is disabled. Upgrade to premium to get direct feedback during your workout.
They always want you to pay more. I am not upgrading to premium. I'm not cutting that out either. I was paying for premium and I'm not even using it. She tells me all I need to know. How far did I walk? So, I did the grain free, and I cycle that now. I was also cycling my carbohydrates at that point in time. But we're not going to go backwards. We're going to only go forwards. And right now, I'm not really doing anything other than weight training 3 days a week, walking as much as we can, drinking water, of course, and I kind of have an eating window of, I want to say about noon to, like, I'll stop eating around like 7, 8 o'clock at night. Right now, I'd like to get that to like 6 o'clock at night. I don't know if it's possible with my work schedule. But I do know that not eating about 3 to 4 hours before you go to bed is like key, is a key. And that's something that I did back when I lost the weight too. I didn't eat late at night. I didn't snack a whole bunch. So yeah, I think I've rambled on enough here. 10 minutes. It's probably the cutoff time. So we will see you back tomorrow. We're just walking today, not doing anything crazy. I'm going to do like a weigh-in every day, I think, or at least let you guys know what the hell I'm weighing every day. My goal right now is to just every week at least drop a pound to 2 pounds a week. It might be faster than that in the beginning. I might drop 10 quick. I probably have a lot of water weight, whatever. But all right, guys, peace.